Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. After today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere that can lead to clutter. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, right around 57 cents was a support, but after the price fell below it, this would now be the initial area of resistance to keep an eye on. In the very near term, keep an eye on that purple line right there. Same rational, same rule. That was a support going into today, but now that the price is down below it, you would expect it to act as resistance, which is that already played out a little bit. You can see this afternoon, price tried to get back up above that purple line and couldn't quite do it. So that'll be the initial level, and then after that, yeah, you can turn your full attention back to the 57-cent mark. But those are going to be the two areas of resistance as far as support levels are concerned. Next key level to watch going forward is going to be that 50-cent mark, which is where the price finally bounced off of today in the afternoon hours. If the price cannot hold above 50, the next key level after that would just be that pink line down there, which on my chart is denoting the very famous 200 period simple moving average. But to be fair, so far so good. 50 cents has done a good job of holding strong, but again, if that level doesn't quite hold up, the next overall technical level of support down there at the 200 period simple moving average. So rough day today, but we'll see if the bulls can get things turned around or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.